So how is it being 6 months old? Oh, that's very interesting. Excuse you. Uh-huh. You're sitting up pretty well. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You got some nice drool coming down. Yeah, you're making me nervous. Alright, well, it was good to talk to you. You're getting awfully big now. Can you say bye to the camera? Bye, Luke. Bye-bye. That was a good goodbye.